आणि आता पुराय खबरो. कोरोना विषाणूची लागण जाऊ नये म्हण मेळाव्यांचे आयोजन करचे न्हय व ते मेळावे फुडें धुकलचे अशी सुचोवणी भलायकी आनी कुटुंब कल्याण मंत्रालयान जाहीर केल्या. अशे मेळावे करचेच पडले जाल्यार राज्य सरकार आयोजकांक फावो ते भशेन काळजी घेवपा खातीर मार्गदर्शन करतले. हाची माहिती भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांच्यांनी पत्रकार परिशद घेवन कळयल्या. अर्डेक्सवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Now, as Muddam press conference today we were thinking of basically it was after the video conference with Honorable Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan. Everybody wanted to know what is the status and what is Goa situation and as what is being done as far as coronavirus is concerned. I think Dr. Disa, also I from time to time we have been giving an update through the FDA group. We have been sharing all the information. What we are doing is we are strictly following the guidelines given by the Government of India as far as coronavirus is concerned. We have also today, during the course of the discussion, I intervened during the debate along with when all of us were present and after discussing with Secretary Health and asked the Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan as far as Goa is concerned to allow us to have some sort of interactive this thing with the Marmagua Port Trust as well as the Airport Authority. There should be some sort of a circular to be issued so that the Goa Health Department is able to take whatever steps they want as far as the purview of the airport is concerned and the port is concerned where all these the cruise ships and all come. Now what is happening at the moment as we speak, we don't have that type of access. And as a result of which sometimes accessing, but we have got total cooperation from the airport director. He is very cooperative. The other day we had a meeting at the airport. I personally had a meeting with the airport director along with Secretary Health and Alok Saxena, who had come to review the facilities other than the coronavirus as far as Goa is concerned. Every additional secretary, joint secretary and several officers have been sent to a couple of states to see the status, what is being done. We have created all the isolation rooms, whatever is required as per the guidelines. We have gone ahead. Now, coronavirus is one thing, guidelines another thing which has already been put in place, which is being strictly followed by the government of Goa. I have also circulated to you the exact what is the situation as far as the number of patients detected, how many are under observation. Each and every aspect is being provided to the media now. Another issue which has cropped up suddenly is the issue of mass gatherings. The Government of India today, when we were discussing also on the media on the video conferencing, I will just read out what they have suggested is people should be advised in interest of health safety to avoid mass gatherings. And it is very important because sometimes somebody comes from out. Suppose somebody has got, it is a contagious thing, somebody has this particular is a carrier of this particular coronavirus, then he can infect many other people. So as a result, there is a circular issued by Government of India that mass gathering should be avoided.
Observation ward, we have kept nurses with full personal protection, and relatives sometimes they want to stay with they will be given full protection. Okay. Protection, there is a kit. Okay. We have a suit like astronaut suit, N95. So they are actually protected, and right now which I saw British that lady who is with us, with her there is a relative and she has put all those gowns. I had just gone to the ward and come here.
And what about kids, mothers, suppose if any kids?
They will have to stay, no, mothers will have to stay. So we have to protect the person who is staying with the patient, no suspect. Ours are all suspects.